Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at Microsoft Excel and WPS Spreadsheets. We want to know which one of these document management tools is better suited for your needs. I'm going to open up with the designed Microsoft Excel. Probably doesn't know how to use all of its features. That's how powerful Microsoft Excel is. And through the years that Microsoft Excel has been developed and updated, you can only imagine what a powerful software suite just Microsoft Excel is without any of its extra add-ins, such as its AI-powered tools. So Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is now called 365 Copilot, is now embedded inside Excel, which automates your data cleaning, complex formula generations, trend identifications, and reports creations, saving you time and reducing errors. It also allows you to organize, analyze, and visualize with your data with pivot tables, charts, conditional formatting, and it's got the built-in Power Query for business intelligence. You can also use VBA macros and Power Automate, which integrate to streamline repetitive tasks and tailor your workflow to your unique project needs. It is also widely used for financial modeling, budgeting, project tracking, CRM, marketing, analytics, and operational reporting across enterprises and SMBs. Having a look over here, 750 plus global users. It's the most popular spreadsheet software worldwide. It's trusted by over 80% of businesses for critical data tasks. It also has 100% seamless integrations. So you can work with Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and this is only the tip of the iceberg. It's got tons more integrations. It automatically updates delivery cutting edges features such as AI Copilot, Power Pivot, and the enhanced data visualization, and this is all without extra costs. Having a look at the cost over here, so included in your Microsoft 365 subscription, Excel will offer all of these powerful capabilities without any additional software purchases. It's ideal for organizations pretty much of any size, and specifically if you are wanting to work in a team, especially if your team is divided, this is great because you can sync everything in real time. Okay, so WPS Spreadsheets now we're looking at, and it's 100%, first of all, Excel compatible. So you can open, edit, and save .xlsx as well as .xls as well as .csv files anywhere without losing any formatting or data integrity. So there's also hundreds of built-in functions covering finance, statistics, engineering, and logic for efficient data processing. They've got advanced filtering, sorting, smart filing, workbook merging, and batch processing, which streamlines your workflows. You can access nearly 10,000 templates, including invoices, budgets, attendance sheets, and reports to jumpstart your projects without having to design them or build them yourself. It's got SMB financial management. So if you're managing finances, sales, and inventory, you can do this with customizable templates, as we just mentioned. You can track attendance, grades, study plans with ease of use sheets, and it has a data analysis, complex calculations, and trend visualization without expensive software. It also has real-time teamwork on shared data projects with their built-in cloud sync. Now, some of their competitive advantages here. First of all, cost effective. They've got a free version and they've got a premium at $30 a year. That is really good. They're also lightweight and fast, so low memory usage and fast startup, which is great. And then their Office integration. So you can transition for Excel users with no learning curve at all because it pretty much works the same way. And then you can convert spreadsheets directly from PDF. And they have very strong security. So you can password protect and encrypt all of your sensitive information, all of your sensitive data. And the last thing and the most important thing is the continuous improvements that continue to boost your productivity. There's tons of AI enhancements that are now coming into play. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.